Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel Div's Home Studio. In today's video, I'm going to share my nighttime skincare routine. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Never go to bed with the makeup on. It can actually, clog your pores, and it can cause pimples and acne and whatnot. So, never forget to cleanse your face thoroughly with micellar water or any kind of oil. Doing your makeup is initial and a very important step in your nighttime skincare routine. My first product would be removing your makeup from your face. For that, I have switched on to a new product, that is a Lakme 9 to 5 natural gel makeup remover with pure aloe vera. It actually melts out your long wear lip, eye and face makeup. So this is how the packaging looks. This actually has 50 ml of product and retails for 175. I will surely give all the price range of the products in the description box below. You can check that out. So this is how the packaging is, and you can open the tube and the product comes out. It is in a form of gel, as you can see. And then you can just massage on your face and remove the makeup. So this is my first product. If you are actually having a dry or combination skin, this is surely a good pick for you. Or if you are on the oilier skin, you can try out micellar water. Micellar water does not really deeply remove all the makeup out, but using coconut oil or this kind of balm or gel kind of product is to remove your makeup is really helpful. So if you are using a very light makeup, just the lipstick or the kajal, then you can surely try out the micellar water from Garnier. This is how the packaging looks, and it has about 125 ml of product, and it retails for around 175 again. So this is another product for you to try out to remove your makeup. So moving on to the next product. So let's move on to the next product. So the next product is moisturizing your skin. It is very important to give that hydration and moisture to your skin once you remove your makeup. And I am using recently I've been using Plum Illuminous Deep Moisturizing Cream. This is how the packaging looks like. It's a glass packaging and it has something like this, and the product is white in color. So I'm almost done. I've been using for almost 2 months now. The product has 50 grams of product, and it retails for a little bit on the expensive side. I'm not aware of how much the product is, but I will surely put the price range in the description box. You can check that out. So this is the recent skincare routine. So I have started using Plum from 2 months back now. It is kind of very nice for the combination and dry skin people, because it is little on the heavier side. It actually claims to have 24-hour moisture with vitamin E in it. So you can surely give this a try if or you're on the dry or the combination. For oily skin people, you can feel it a little breezy because it's a little thick and heavier on its side. Okay, the next product is the eye cream. It is the Mom's Co Natural Vita Rich Under Eye Cream. This is how the packaging looks like, and it has this kind of a steel roller inside, so you can just roll out. If you just pump this thing, and the product comes out of this in 2 edges, and then you can just apply it around your eyes. And this is really so cooling and so nice. It really gives effect. I have used one complete product, and I think they do have around 15 grams of product. They retail for about 475. I find this product a little expensive, but trust me, this product really works wonders. I had so much of dark circle around my eyes, and after 2 deliveries, I couldn't get rid of the dark circle from a very long time. Still, in this lockdown, I religiously tried out this product for almost 3 to 4 months continuously, every day and night. I have used this product. A little bit is enough for this, but this is a wonderful product. You have to surely try this out. You will surely feel the changes and differences, but you have to religiously apply it every day, and that really works. And they do have claims like reduces dark circles, puffiness in fine lines. It is enriched with coffee oil and vitamin E and B3. So that's it about the product. It retails for about 475. It has 15 ml of product or 15 grams of product, whatever. Okay, moving on to the next product, I have this Dot & Key sleeping mask. This is a wonderful product. I have to surely tell about this. This is the outer packaging of this product. And Dot & Key moisture infusion water sleeping mask with chamomile and rose. It has hyaluronic acid in it and no nasty chemicals. They claim to be a very clean vegan product. So this is the most impressive part. It is 100% safe and dermatologically tested. The only point is that does it work or not. So the product is in a light pale blue color. It is to be frank, it is just like water. If you take out and feel, it's just like water. See, it gets absorbed in the skin so well. There is no stickiness, there is no greasiness. Any type of skin people can use this product. It is a very impressive product. I have been using like more than 1.5 months now. I have completed so much of product. This 60 ml product, it retails for about 795, that is 800 bucks. Yes, and they do have 3 years of shelf life, and it's a bit on the expensive side, but I really felt a good difference when I get up on the next day, because as I told, I have a very dry skin. So this sleeping mask has has actually hydrated my skin so well. I am in love with this product. If you can invest on something like this, I would surely recommend this product. You can try out, because once at least, so you can feel that plumpiness and hydration, how it looks in the next day morning. You can get up so fresh and so hydrated. That look is with makeup, without makeup, anyway you are going to look stunning with this kind of skincare products. So one such brand is this Dot & Key, and this water infused moisture infused water sleeping mask. Surely should give it a try. So my next product would be the lip balm or lip cream or whatever you call it as. I should surely tell about a story about my lip balm kind of experience. I am not a lip balm person. I have tried out like most of all this Nivea, then I'm not sure, Nivea, Himalaya, and chapsticks from Lakme, Lip Love, and Biotech, what not, which came in market, and almost all this Maybelline baby lips and stuff. To be frank, nothing really worked. Again, as I told you, like my skin, my lips are too dry. It breaks out easily. It has that yellow white patches. I do have dryness around my mouth area too. This is actually a real problem which I was facing from a very long time. So I am not a lip balm person. All of these products were utter failure for me. So finally I want some good hydration. So I did not want anything fancy, any lip balm with tint or nothing. I wanted to have a nice lip balm which is very light. So finally I found this Nimaya Natural Skin Care Lip Serum Advanced Brightening Therapy. So basically I got this product to lighten my pigmentation in the lips, because I have pigmented lips, as you would have seen me in my previous videos where I wouldn't have applied lipstick. So I wanted to cut down that pigmentation which was there in my lips, because it had become too dark. So the lipstick colors tend to look really different because my lips are pigmented. So I thought I should give this a try. So this is also an Amazon referred, or you can tell Amazon suggested product. So I switched to Nimaya Natural Lip Serum. This is how the packaging looks like. This is nothing fancy. It is a normal cream texture lip serum. See, this is something in white color. That's it. It is so light, it is so hydrating, and I love the consistency. It is not greasy, it just absorbs into my skin after some time, and until morning the hydration is awesome. To be frank, I use this for 4 to 5 months now, every day. See, when you believe in certain products, or when you want to really try out a product, you have to apply it religiously, not just 1 or 2 day, or not just once or twice. You have to at least finish one packaging. This is my second one. I completed the whole package. I came around for 3 months. You won't believe it. I applied it for 3 continuous months, and I finished one product, and it retails for about 250, 240, and then it has 30 grams of product. It is for a long while, and they do have certain claims. I'll just go through that. Lightens dark lips because of smoking. Okay, whatever. Restores, repairs and restores damage caused to lips. Brightens and evens out the skin tone of your lips to natural pink. Moisturizes and heals chapped lips. 100% natural. I would surely recommend this Namaya lip serum. You should give this a try if you have a pigmented lips. If you don't have a pigmented lips, if you're not a lip balm type of person, then surely you can give this a try, because this is nothing fancy, but surely gives it hydration which is necessary for your chapped lips in whatever kind of weather, maybe it is winter, maybe it is summer, anything. But still, in your nighttime routine, you have to hydrate your lips. Likewise, your skin, the same thing needed to be there in your. The next product in my skincare routine, in the nighttime skincare routine, would be my Himalaya Rich Cocoa Butter body cream. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is quite a big tub. It has 200 ml of product, and it absolutely smells like chocolate. I feel like eating this product. It smells just like coconut and chocolate both, and particularly like that Bounty kind of if you all know that chocolate, it just exactly smells like Bounty. And this body butter is absolutely stunning butter. It hydrates my skin, my hand, my body so well. I use this mostly after the shower, when I come out of the shower, because as I told you, mine is a very dry skin, so I need hydration. I need to moisturize my skin often, and I want some products which have with the hydration last for a long, because I cannot often keep reapplying it again and again. So I would prefer something which lasts long. So this is one such product, Himalaya Rich Cocoa Butter Body Cream. Intensely moisturizes for healthy and radiant skin. This contains cocoa butter as it claims, and nothing. It eliminates dryness and dullness in the skin. So this completes the nighttime skincare routine. Pamper yourself with this kind of nice skincare products. You don't really need makeup. With makeup or without makeup, to look gorgeous, you need very good skincare products. That is what I suggest. That is what I believe in. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until next time, Azubia signing up. Tada, bye bye.